Hello, friend. Now let's start a new topic. What skills should I learn in 2020? The soft skills companies need most in 2020. Topping this year's list are creativity, collaboration, persuasion, and emotional intelligence. All skills that demonstrate how we work with others and bring new ideas to the table. Now, let's start. Another topic is what are the types of skills? A skill is an ability to perform an activity in a competent manner. Skills can be classified into three main types: transferable, functional, personal traits, attitudes, and knowledge based. Now, another question is what are two types of skills? Soft skills and how to use them on your resume. There are two types of skills recruiters look for on resumes: hard skills and soft skills. When used correctly, they work together to form a powerhouse resume that provides the hiring manager a comprehensive understanding of the job seekers' capabilities. How many skills do we have? Your skills are the things you have learned to do well and are an important part of who you are. According to the experts, the average person has up to 700 skills ready to be used at any time. You don't need to excel at a skill to claim you have it. Why is a skill important? In everyday life, the development of life skills helps students to find new ways of thinking and problem solving, recognize the impact of their actions, and teaches them to take responsibility for what they do rather than blame others. Build confidence both in spoken skills and for group collaboration and cooperation. What is a skill area? Definition and examples of a skill set. A skill set is the knowledge, abilities, and experience needed to perform a job. Specific skill set areas can include human relations, research and planning, accounting, leadership, management, and computer skills. What are skills and abilities? Now, hard skills are abilities specific to the job and or industry. Generally, these are more technical skills that you learn in school, certification programs, training materials, or experience on the job. Hard skills might include proficiency in things like software. What are job skills? Now, basic skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing are necessary for all workers. People skills or soft skills like negotiating, proceeding, and coordinating with co workers help people to work well with others.